You are welcome to online lectures with Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at chemistry and we have a question on the board. The question says, how many unpaired electrons are there in nitrogen sublevels? A, 3, B, 2, C, 1, D, 0. The question source is JAMB 2010 Chemistry, Type A, Question 7. Before we can answer this question, we really need to understand the orbital configuration and the use of atomic numbers of elements to determine this. Now, looking at these orbitals, we also put into consideration the principles, especially Hund's rule that is used in filling the orbitals with the electron, where you should fill a particular orbital singly first before pairing. Now, to buttress this point, let us look at nitrogen used in this question. Nitrogen has atomic number of 7. So, if nitrogen atomic number is what? 7. Let's draw the orbitals. We have here the first one, which is what? 1s, followed by 2s. Nitrogen has 7 as its atomic number. And because an atom is what? Neutral. That means nitrogen has electron of 7 because atomic number is the same thing with the number of electrons. Atomic number is actually the number of protons. But because an atom is neutral, number of protons is equal to the number of what? Electrons. So that means for nitrogen atom, there is a what? The number of electrons there is also what? 7. So filling this now, we have, if you fill this first, you have singly, you have what? This. Because we have just one here, you complete it. Of course, you put into consideration the spining. One spine the other side, the other spine the other side. But that is not what this question is the driving at. The question is talking about how applying Hund's rule to know the pairing pattern. Am I communicating? And the one that will be single if the unpaired electron that will be present in the atom. So now let's go. 2s, you feel like this, and what? Like this. 4 electrons are already here. So we have 3 remaining. So this should also get to the what? The p orbitals. Of course, unlike the s orbitals, the p orbitals has 3 degenerate what? Orbitals. 3 degenerate what? Orbitals. They are the same level. So we have here what? Here is what? 2p. Of course, here this one is what? px, py, pz. Now, here, you don't feel here completed before going to the other one. Is wrong. Unlike here, this place is just single. You feel this way, but this way, in this degenerate orbitals, you feel them singly first. So we have one here. You feel this one again, and feel this one again. So if you count now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of electrons in nitrogen atom is 7. It's complete. So if you look at this place now, here is paired, here is paired. But I'm coming to the p orbitals. In an attempt to fill the degenerate orbital singly first, the electron got exhausted. So here now we have this one is unpaired, the one in px is unpaired, the one in py is unpaired, the one in pz is unpaired, and there are three in number 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 unpaired electrons in nitrogen sub levels. So let's look at the option. Option A says 3. I will tick 3. Let's look at the other option. This one says 2, no. C says 1, no. See, this says 0, no. So the most appropriate option here is 3. There are 3 unpaired electrons in nitrogen sub level. So the answer to JAM 2010 chemistry, question paper type A, question 7 is 3, which is option A, which says that there are 3 unpaired electrons in nitrogen sub levels. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to chat me up. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Fraternity the Schoolboy. Follow my page on Facebook and like my page. My Facebook page name is Fraternity the Schoolboy. Please like my videos, comment on them, share with your friends, your colleagues, your children, your students. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. I organize academic competition purely online and registration is free of charge. It is fortnightly, every two weeks. Each 2 weeks features a particular subject or course. So if you are interested, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp for registration details. It's purely free of charge and it is online. Be part of this. It will help you to grow academically. God bless you. See you next time.